Creative comes in different facets. It could be like cooking, could be baking, it could be photography. So here we kind of help you to discover what that might be and how you can use it to your advantage. All you have to do is have an idea of that, and you're able to kind of learn the skills it takes to pursue creativity in a more visual standpoint. We have a primary focus of general advertising, composition, but then also emphasis on web design and development, motion graphics. Try to keep it well-rounded because any given point you could be asked to do anything as a graphic designer. Our program is definitely based off of cohort model. Students will come in together, work through problems together, get presented projects, basically be kind of the first level of feedback they go to. I try to stress the importance of, yes, practice that skill set, practice those things, but build a community. You build a community, you have people that have your back. I've had a great support system ever since I was a student here. In my perspective, it's like community is so much more than just design. It's personal interaction. It's that energy that you get from other people. My experiences in industry, we didn't necessarily always work with graphic designers or art directors. Sometimes we had to work with developers, sometimes we had to work with account people, but we all fed into some kind of bigger picture, and that was the service to our clients. Students get a lot of support from faculty here. We're usually there to respond to both technological needs, but even like from a life point perspective, we give a lot of advice and just general kind of how to be a working professional. My perspective is that they use artificial intelligence as a tool as opposed to using it as a crutch, and the importance behind that. Adding value to working through problems and allowing yourself to look at technology, advancing technology as a means to assist you. We basically will teach them the principles, how to build things from the ground up, and after a project, show them bits of AI. There's different parts of our industry. There's a production side, there's like general creative side, advertising. I like to view every student as having that potential to fit in somewhere. It could be in-house, it could be at an advertising agency, it could be at a production house, it could be as a tattoo artist. If you have some kind of artistic direction and artistic thinking or creative thinking, you can utilize that in many different facets. If you're not into the technology, a lot of designers become general marketers, being able to do even account coordination. So you can find any kind of dynamic or any kind of emphasis of design that and still be able to use those skills.